Welcome, in front of me is a KENXINDA V6, and today I will show you how to format the SD card. So to get started, you want to open up Settings, and from Settings scroll down to Memory Storage, but there we go. So right here to Storage, and from here you'll see your SD card, so tap on that. It will take you to it. So here you can tap on the three dots and go into Storage Settings, where you'll see the option to format. Tap on that. It gives you a message that performing this will remove all the data from the device, or from the memory card. So if there's something that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up to your computer before, but assuming you already have done that or you don't care to keep anything from it, tap on Erase and Format. The process will begin removing data from the SD card. It just takes several seconds, and once it's finished, the card is immediately ready to be used as it is right now. So just tap on Done and you're finished. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.